Welcome to our class, guys. I am Guruvin Mani. In this video, we are going to see about 12th standard chapter 1 part 2 continuity video of Two Gentlemen of Verona. Okay, now we can move on to next continuity paragraph. Here, what it is mentioned, what plans? He smiled uncomfortably, just plans answer. He answered in a low voice. So, author asked that, what are all the plans you have? Before Nicola answered that, we have the plans to go to America. So, we need to save the money for that. Like that way, Nicola answered. So, now what are all the plans you have? Like that way, the author is raising the question to Nicola. But his answer was in a low voice. He didn't answer. He felt uncomfortably after the author asked the question. Okay. So, in the next para, well, I said, we are leaving on Monday. So, Nicola is telling that Monday we are leaving from this place to emigrate to another place. Is there anything I can do for you before we go? Whether I need to do anything for you because you are leaving this place on Monday, no? So, I need to do any help for you? Author is raising the question to Nicola. So, after that, Nicola shook his head. But suddenly, Jacopo said, Sir, he burst out, every Sunday we make a visit to the country to Poletta, 30 kilometers from here. Usually, we hire bicycles. So, Nicola didn't say anything, but Jacopo was bent and slept on the Nicola's shoulder. So, Jacopo answered suddenly, every week Sunday we will go to the place mentioned as Poletta. Every Sunday we will visit that place. It was 30 kilometers away from this Verona. So, usually when we are going to that Poletta, we will use bicycles to reach there. Who is answering these questions to whom? Jacopo answering to author A.J. Cronin. So, in the next line, but tomorrow, since you are so kind, you might send us in your car. What is Jacopo telling? We are going to that place tomorrow. While we are seeing the author, that is A.J. Cronin, you are very kind to us. So, shall you drop us in your car? After that, I had already told Luigi he might have the Sunday off. However, I answered, I will drive you out myself. So, after that, what the author is telling, I had already told to my car driver Luigi. He also might come in the Sunday. So, we only need to drive us ourselves. Okay. So, after that, there was a pause. Nicola was glaring at his young brother in vexation. We could not think of troubling you, sir. So, here, who is speaking this line? Nicola scolding his brother. Why are you asking help to others? We only need to stand by our own leg and we need to earn our money. We must not depend anybody. In then also they will be more honest by earning the money. So Nicola is answering that, sir, we couldn't like you to trouble, sir. Trouble means what? Kashtapaduttal. At the next line, It won't be any trouble. Who is answering this? A.J. Cronin. I will won't think this is one kind of trouble. He bit his lip. Then in a rather put out tone, he said, very well. So he's telling like that. I will won't think this is the trouble for me. I am sure to leaving you at that Poletta place. So after that, the following afternoon, we drove to the tiny village set high upon the hillside. I imagined that our destinations would be some humble dwellings. So after that afternoon, we went drive on the tiny village side. That is what side? Hillside. Okay. So we imagined our destination. What would be happened in our life before the past tense. Okay. So, but directed by Jacopo, we drew up at a large red roofed villa surrounded by a high stone wall. I could scarcely believe my eyes, and before I could recover breath, my two passengers had leaped from the car. After that, we went to a, so what is given in this line? After that, we went to a villa which was surrounded by a high stone wall. We couldn't believe that how much big it was. It was very nice to look. So after that, we got out from the car and we saw and visit through that villa. So after that para, we shall not be long, sir. Perhaps only an hour. Maybe you would like to go to the cafe in the village for a drink. They disappeared beyond the corner of the wall. So what it is given in this line, for relaxation only, they had stopped the car for drinking any tea. So what these boys are telling, we would not like to stay in this place more than 1 hour. So if you like to drink any tea in this cafe, you can drink. Surely you can drink. But we won't be come with you and we will drink tea. In the next para, after a few minutes, I followed. I found a grilled side entrance and determinedly rang the bell. So in the last para, what the boys are telling, if you need to drink tea, surely you can drink. Okay, so for us it will be take more than 1 hour to stay in that place. So these boys are telling like that. The time will be delayed, so you need to stay till that, so you can have a drink. After few minutes, the author followed these two boys. Where the boys are going, it is mentioned as the grilled side entrance, and in that place the bell is ringing. Okay, so in the next para, a pleasant looking woman with steel rimmed spectacles appeared. So when I entered to that place, one beautiful woman wearing spectacles welcoming me. As a warm welcome, she was welcoming me. I blinked as I saw that she was dressed in the white uniform of a trained nurse. So the nurse uniform will be varied to their work, because the trained nurse means they will wear one kind of uniform and the nurse will wear one kind of uniform. So the trained nurse only welcoming the author, she was dressed in a white uniform. So this line was explained by the author A.J. Cronin. So in the next line, I just brought two small boys here. So who is telling this dialogue to whom? A.J. Cronin, the author, is telling this dialogue to the nurse. I had called and came some two small boys to this hospital. He is explaining to the nurse. Ah, yes. Her face lit up. She opened the door to admit me. Nicola and Jacopo, I will take you up. So after that, the nurse is answering, ah, yes. The two boys came inside. I met them. So after that, the nurse called the author and she is telling that I will call you and I will make you to reach the Nicola and Jacopa room. So after that, she led me through a cool tiled vestibule into the hospital. For hospital, the villa had become. So what is the appearance of the hospital? It is like a villa, big building. Okay, so in that staying place, now I had stayed. After that, at the door of a little cubicle, the nurse paused, put her finger to her lips, and with a smile bade me look through the glass partition. So after that, the nurse came out from the cubicle. What is meant by cubicle? It is one type of room where the patients need to be stayed. Need through to sick. Okay. So with a smiley face, the nurse came out from the cubicle room. After that, what it is explaining here? The two boys were seated at the bedside of a girl of about 20 who propped upon pillows wearing a pretty lace jacket was listening to their chatter, her eyes soft and tender. So at this line, what the author is mentioning means the two boys sat in one room near the girl who was sleeping in the bedside because due to sickness she was slept in the bedside. The girl age was about 20. So after seeing that girl, the two boys expressed with a happiness and joyfulness, but after so much days the two boys are visiting the girl. So they can't tolerate their tears. After that, one could see at a glance her resemblance to her brothers. A vase of wild flowers stood on her table beside a dish of fruit and several books. So these two boys are seeing the girl alone for a few minutes. Just the two boys are looking at the girl. Okay. So what are all the things kept in that room? Flowers, fruits, types of fruits and several books placed in the room. After that, what it is mentioning here? Won't you go in? The nurse murmured. Lucia will be pleased to see you. So, what is that nurse telling? Why didn't you go inside to that room? Because Lucia will thankful to you because you only brought the two boys after long days to this place. So she will be very happy on seeing them. After that, I shook my head and turned away. I felt I could not bear to intrude upon this happy family party. But at that foot of the staircase, I drew up and begged her to tell me all she knew about these boys. So what is the author is answering means, I didn't like to interfere on this family. What is meant by interfere? when the persons are talking, some kind of persons will be give back talk. So I didn't like that these family are being happy. So I didn't like to spoil that. After that, the author is requesting the nurse to answers what you all know about the boys. Can you tell about the boy's story? So after in this para, she was eager to do so, and she also have interest to tell about the boy's story to the author. So what are all the explanation given by the nurse? They were, she explained, quite alone in the world except for this sister Lucia. So their family had died. These two boys are living for their sister Lucia alone. Their father, a widower, a well-known singer, had been killed in the early part of the war. So what is meant by widower? He had left his wife. So he alone be staying in that place. He was a famous singer. But the brother's house had been spoiled due to the war, and the father also dead in this war. Shortly afterward, a bomb had destroyed their home and thrown the three children into the streets. What is mentioning in this line? The bomb blast happened in that place. So his father had died due to this bomb blast. Two brothers, Nicola, Jacopo and Lucia, came to the street because the home also had left. So they not have any place to stay. So they had came to the streets. Okay. So I think you had understood this video. We can see the next continuity in another video. If you have any doubt on seeing through this part 2 video, you can surely comment in your YouTube channel GVMS Students Teaching, and you can receive the knowledge through it. Thank you for watching.